Alright, welcome back to the affiliate marketing mini course. You're with me, Stu Sterling, and this is part 3. If you've missed the first 2 videos, you can check the links under the video in the description. And also, if you're new here, if you're new to YouTube or my stuff, check out the links below, also in the description, where you can get some cool free stuff. So this is a 4-part affiliate marketing course. So we covered the first 2 points about finding a hungry audience and choosing some good offers to promote to those people. So the third part here is a conversion machine. So in order to make the sales, you've got to put the offer in front of the hungry audience, right? So, and it's not just a matter of blasting everyone, showing your sales page to everyone that you think might be interested. Because even though you might think, oh, this is perfect, you know, people are a bit skeptical. They need to be convinced, and they need to believe that what you're offering them is the answer that they've been looking for. And the conversion process usually takes a little while, right? So on average, it takes about 7 interactions before someone will make a purchase. So each time, you know, you convince them a little bit more, trying to persuade them that this is what they're looking for, and eventually they'll realize, okay, this is right for me, and then they'll make the buying decision. It's very rare that someone will buy something on the first time they ever see the product or the offer it is. You know, think about in your own life, it takes you a few times to check it out, think about it, and get reminded about it, because you might forget about it. So how do we do that? How do we warm up the prospect and convince them that you have what they need? The secret with online marketing is email marketing. Okay, you might have heard that email still blows social media and all the other kind of marketing channels online out of the water. So email is still number 1. It has been number 1 for ages, and it's looking like it's going to be here for a while yet. Okay, there hasn't been much. So you might have heard, you know, the money is in the list, and that's absolutely true. You know, if you've got a list, you've basically got an income stream that you can rely on. But it's, you know, it's not only the list that makes you money, it's also your relationship with the list. So if you've got trust with your subscribers on your list, if you've got respect and rapport with them, then, you know, you've got an asset there that can that can be very, very profitable. So how do you start building a list? How do you start doing email marketing? Well, here are 3 things that you need to start with email marketing. First, you need to create a lead magnet, some kind of incentive or some kind of gift that you will give away in exchange for someone's email address. Okay, it could be, you know, the classic one is a PDF report that they download. Another one could be a video, a how-to video, or a video course, or it could be an audio. Maybe it's an audio course or an interview with someone, some other expert in your niche. You know, anything that's going to help them make a step towards getting the result that they want. That's the best lead magnet. Okay, so once you have that, you have something to give away. Then the next step is you want to collect the email for giving it away to them. So Aweber is an autoresponder email management or email marketing management system. It's highly recommended, very, very newbie friendly. I recommend it to all people starting out in internet marketing. It's the easiest way to get started. They have a free trial. Check out the link below to get your free trial account. And it's very, very affordable, because the more subscribers you have, the more you pay. So if you only have a few subscribers, you don't pay too much. So Aweber will let you collect the leads. They'll let you set up an autoresponder series, so you can have a follow-up series that goes out automatically. Now you should use that follow-up series to further build trust and rapport with your subscribers, and also, you know, pre-sell them on whatever it is you're offering. And that's easy to do. You know, you educate them, you build desire for that product, and then you offer it to them. You know, it's very, very easy to do when you can sequence out your emails. Okay, so we won't get too much into email marketing. I do have some free email marketing material that you can go and download. Check out the links below. Okay, so then we need like a vehicle to deliver it all, and that's with a web page, a lead capture page, sometimes known as a squeeze page as well. And I use Convertri to build these squeeze pages. Actually, to build pretty much any web page that I need, I use Convertri. I can build squeeze pages, sales pages, download pages, video course, lesson pages, whatever. Check out Convertri. It's a page building software. You can plug in your Aweber autoresponder to it so people can sign up on that page with their email, and then boom, you've got them on your list. You can forward them over to another download page where they can access your free stuff. And there you go. A 2-page website can create, a solid business. All right. So they're the 3 basic things you need to get started with email marketing. And now let's go have a look at some of the lead capture forms and the email marketing systems that I've set up. Okay. So I'll just show you 3 of my lead capture pages that I've set up just quickly. I've got probably a dozen in total in various different niches. But I'll just show you a couple that I've got in the make money online niche, where I help guys and girls like you to start their own internet business. So let's have a look at this one. This is Turnkey Cash Kits. I'm giving away 2 ready-made list building kits. So if you really wanted to get started with email marketing and affiliate marketing, this would be the ideal option for you. Okay, it's free to get started, free to download. All you need to get started with these is a domain name, hosting, and an autoresponder. I provide the templates and the PDF that you can give away. You can also rebrand that PDF with your affiliate link, so you can make commissions from the products that is promoted inside. Okay, so that's one of my list building systems here. This is another free product that I give away, how to create a product in a day. People can just put in their email, they go check their inbox, they get the download link. Okay, and this is another one. Actually, this page, it looks terrible, but it actually converts very, very well. Okay, I don't know what it is, maybe it's the copy. So this is what happens when someone opts in. Okay, they put in their email, and what happens right then is someone gets added to my Aweber list, and then that page redirects them to this, which is a one-time special offer that I offer to new subscribers. Okay, so this is what everyone sees. It's an ebook course on how to master paid traffic. I'm selling it for $17. Actually, I've got a coupon code where you can get it for less. So then someone will go and check their email, which I'll show you. Alright, so I used an email address that was already on that email list, so it didn't show up in my stats, and I didn't get the welcome email from my autoresponder. So what I'll do is I'll sign up with a different email address. So this is a little bit of a secret with Gmail. If you put a plus after your regular Gmail username and then any word that you like, you can use that as a different email address. So this is like top 7 test. I just made that up. So that's a unique email address now that I can use to sign up. So just a little tip for you if you're using Gmail. So let's try again. So sending the form, it shoots me over to the one-time offer page, and here we go. So it says right now in my Gmail, it says confirm your subscription. So I'm using double opt-in for this. Recently I've been using pretty much all double opt-in just because I want quality subscribers and I want legit emails. I don't want anyone to put in their dummy email or fake email. So once I click on confirm, it just takes me to that page. I don't have any other special offer, although I could, I guess, and I probably should send them to some other kind of offer. People joined. Yeah, so that's my email that I just used to sign up with. Okay, and then I'm going to be sending I've got all of these emails loaded up in my autoresponder that are going to go out on autopilot. Okay, so I've got 50 emails set up to go out automatically, about 2 days apart. Some are 3 days, some are 4 days, some are 1 day. So, you know, I've got about 150 days worth of emails that are pre-selling people, that are building that relationship. So, you know, that's how I can convert, and that's how I can make sales. So that's email marketing. That's your conversion machine in a nutshell. Okay, so the 3 points here: get a lead magnet, get an Aweber account, create a squeeze page, put it all together, and you've got a conversion machine. Okay, check out the links below to check out the things that I was talking about in this video. And happy email marketing, happy affiliate marketing. Catch me in the next video where we talk about getting traffic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a like and put a comment also in the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, and I'll be catching you soon. This is Stu Sterling. See ya.